So I recently picked up the NuPhy Air75 mechanical keyboard. As well as offering a concise review, in this video I'll also explain why I prefer it to my other mechanical keyboard, which is the Keychron K2 V2. As always, there's links to all the products you see in the description. If you like the wallpapers I'm using, there's a link to those too. As the name suggests, the NuPhy Air75 is a compact 75% keyboard, so it should be a good fit for all kinds of desktop and mobile setups. The Air75 is a versatile keyboard that's compatible with Mac, PC, iOS and Android. Wireless connectivity is provided by Bluetooth or the included USB receiver. You can connect up to 3 devices at a time via Bluetooth or 4 via USB. I ordered mine with the Keychron low profile brown switches, but there are red or blue options if you prefer a different typing experience. Inside the box we get some extra keycaps so you can switch between Mac and PC layouts, a USB receiver, a keycap puller, a USB-C to A cable and some magnetic rubber feet to add a slight incline. Please note that these feet are not adjustable, so only offer one fixed incline height. One other slight negative with these magnetic feet is that they do tend to come off quite easily. So the design of the Air75 is a definite strong point. It really is super slim at only 16mm tall. I also love the fun colour scheme, which adds some vibrancy to my otherwise minimal desk setup. On the back of the keyboard, you can switch between Mac or PC use and a wired or wireless connection. Build quality is really solid, particularly when you consider the relatively low price point of this keyboard. It just feels like a premium product. The chassis and base plate are solid metal, whilst the bottom is made from plastic. The keycaps themselves are high quality PBT plastic and feel excellent, although be aware that using this type of plastic means there's no shine through if you use the RGB lights. Using the Keychron brown switches offers a comfortable and tactile typing experience. The low profile keycaps are also perfectly flat, so if you're used to typing on a laptop or Magic Keyboard, these are going to feel right at home. Latency is also really impressive, which also makes the Air75 a great option for gaming. Wireless connectivity has been rock solid using Bluetooth. I only briefly tried the USB dongle, but that worked nicely too. Battery life has been good but not great. On their website, NuPhy quotes 48 hours in lab testing. In my experience, I've found I need to charge the keyboard around once a week, which isn't so bad. However, please note this is with the RGB lights turned off, so keep that in mind if you're an RGB fan. So when comparing to my Keychron K2 V2, I definitely prefer the Air75. Considering these are two similarly priced keyboards, I feel like the build quality is better with the NuPhy, and I also prefer the design. Typing does feel more refined on the low profile Air75. Now don't get me wrong, the Keychron is a solid keyboard, but it feels a little clunky compared to the NuPhy. So to conclude, the NuPhy Air75 is an outstanding keyboard that offers high performance for both office and gaming use cases. It has a premium but fun design, supports multiple platforms, and has fairly solid battery life as well. The compact size also make it a great option for commuting and travel. All things considered, I don't think you'll find a better keyboard at this price point. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope it helped you out. I've been Tom Hyphen. Like and subscribe for more tech reviews. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.